Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Series 12, and I am going to be doing or playing with the sketch from June 22nd. It was created by Melinda Sweetman. So this is the sketch. So it looks like it has a border. I might have to sew that on. You'll see I don't have a lot of product for the kit I have. We've got a photo sitting there, great, and then all kinds of papers and scraps and goodies stacked up. And that is perfect for what I have. So thank you, Melinda. This would be great. Enamel dots, splatty bits, embellishments, what have you. Super great, easy sketch to use. Okay, the product I'm going to use, it's from the Scrap Room, and it was from September 2022. It is all simple vintage lakeside. So I've got all kinds of nice scraps. That is so stinking cute. Patterned papers, right? Look at the butterflies, moths, things. That's super cute. Okay, scraps. So that's what I have to work with. Now, guys, I've already created with this. I designed with it for their design team, and then I created with it again, etc., etc. So I've used a lot of it. I have got these great titles that are on white foam. I've got some stickers left, and then I have 2 more sticker sheets. Great. So that's what I have. Interesting. The photo I'm going to use is this one right here. Now, I scrapped this one before, but I had another print of it. And if I have a photo already printed out, and if I have different product, because somebody asked me about this recently, that's why I'm bringing it up. I'll go ahead and scrapbook it. It's already printed. I have products sitting here. It was a beautiful day. This is right by my house. Like by car, this is less than 2 minutes from my house. So what a cool, beautiful area. And my hubs is cute. So I have that. I'll pop it on to some white cardstock so it'll show up nicely. The huge on that. So since the only full-size pattern paper I have is, well, I have 2 sheets of black are my full-size pieces. I clearly do not have anything to mat this with. I just don't have enough product. So what I'm going to do is go over to my sewing machine and do a little bit of messy sewing around the outside, maybe a couple of quick lines in white. So it'll totally pop off. That's great. Then what I'm going to do is, I love this paper, guys. I'm totally jumping in here and using this. I'm going to just start creating those blocks, and it's going to be as simple as, okay, this one's pretty darn cool, right? Let's jump in and do a decently large size block with this. Great. So that will be a perfect background block. We've got this really nice looking wood. I think it's kind of cool. Let's do a skinnier one with this. Ooh, that mothy thing's kind of cool. I don't even know what we'll show, but guys, this is pretty much the plan that I'll have. It's like, all right, that's a cool piece. Let me clean that one up. We've got some ducks, and guess what? There were duckies just quacking away. This is a really nice, deep, dark colored piece. I'm rather digging this one. Maybe that one can be a little bit wider and stick out somewhere. So I'm just going to go ahead, layer up all of these pieces. Guys, I can't see enough of the mushroom one, so I'm probably going to cut that in half and spread it out a little bit. And then finally, we've got this one with these mothy bits, right? What can we get out of this? And I still want to have something to mat my layout with, or to mat my photos with. So I don't really even know what I'm going to grab from this, but I'm going to have a piece so I can have that piece stick out somewhere. And guys, that's going to be about it. I'm going to layer it all up. It's going to be fine. I think I better scuff it up a little bit because the patterns are rather similar. Told you guys I was going to cut this in half and use it that way. And then I'm just going to go for it. Now, Melinda was nice enough to give us a sketch that's going to be pretty darned easy to use. What I meant by this is I was just going to be like, okay, it's bigger. Voila. So my block is going to be bigger than what hers was set up as. Totally fine. Not a big deal. So I'm going to log off for a second. I'm going to map my photo, scuff this up, sew the outsides, maybe fussy cut out some of these buggy bits because I like them so much. And I'll meet you right back here. All right, so I've got that background done that we talked about. I have my pieces all scuffed up. I'm getting all those little bits. And I did fussy cut out 3 little elements that were in the papers that I thought were super cute. I'm like, look at how cute that is. Now it was a partial element, so I'm like, all right, we can beef this up and put that right there. And like right away, it makes it like cuter that something's going on. I've got this piece that I thought was beautiful as well. It was a partial embellishment and it's got this mushroom. It's got this whole doily kind of thing. And I'm like, yes, please. And we'll see where this cute little label goes. Now, let's see what else we have. Oh, and by the way, I went to look for some flair and I needed some nature-y flair. And I found these that have these bucks on it. And we've got a couple of bucks and we've got this old-fashioned house. That one's kind of looking up, so that's kind of a cool spot. This one is looking that way. Now I'm just kind of seeing what will work. That one's looking that way. That one's looking up, and I've got this beautiful house. Or it looks like an old barn. So I'm thinking, okay, if I go like that, we can get a visual triangle. All right, sweet. An empty package. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, now let's see what we have in here. Got lots of good stickers, and these are the kind, I mean, I can pop these anywhere, but let's get a title, and the title goes here-ish. We've got outdoors. I love that. Explore the outdoors. I like this piece right here. I think that is gorgeous. And I can actually put it where it's suggested to go. Okay, we have that. Got this beautiful mushroom that reads, love this. And I do. Beautiful foam stuff. Wherever you are, be all there. Guys, that's gorgeous. So pretty. Okay. These foamy things are like totally taking care of the layout. Look at the moose. It's a moose. Okay. Guys, I didn't fussy cut out any of those mothy bits, but I don't even know if I'm going to need to because there's great stuff on here. I've got this beautiful dragonfly. I can have that little guy going up. I don't think I need, well, I mean, I've got mushrooms. I can layer mushrooms on mushrooms. Okay, well, we have more mushrooms. I've got this N for north. I'll put that right there. And then, guys, I haven't even stuck everything down. I'm just going for it. You know, this blue is a little bit off in color compared to the other ones, but you know what? I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Sweet. Okay. Use lots of the foamy bits just like that. Ooh, explore nature. I like that one too. So, y'all, I ended up with all kinds of stuff coming this way. I still have a moose for later. Now, what else do we have in here? We've got these pieces. I mean, they're okay. Like maybe if I, oh, these are not cut very well. Maybe if I just tuck in a little bit of the wood and I can connect that piece to that piece and I'll get this flare on there. Oh, guys, I don't even have anything stuck down. What am I doing? Is this one stuck down? Oh, it's supposed to be. Hello, be sticky. You have one job. Like adhesive. Okay, this needs to get stuck down. I just want to make sure that I get these main elements on. This beautiful flare here needs to. So cool, guys. My flare collection. I keep trying to like cull the herd. I don't know what's happening. It's I don't know. Clearly it's a me problem because I still have flare. Like, should I start considering, is it just multiplying on me? I don't know. Maybe it is. Let's see, this little guy, I don't know why I'm doing this, but something says I should be doing this. So there we go. We've got some of those pieces, and I wouldn't mind, I have it there. I guess I'm putting another one on there. Interesting. All right, and then let's put a big one. I have it there. Kind of want to tuck it right under here. And guys, this is like madness what we're doing. Okay, I just wanted a little bit more wood there. And I've got another one, so why don't we kind of replicate what we did down here. So I have 3, 2, 1. There we go. A little bit more wood. Okay, we did that. Let's see what we have here. Love this with this orange. And I think clearly that's why it wanted to be down there. Okay, scissors. Scissors, my friends. Let's go ahead and do this. Oh! So that can go right there, and it's sticking up a little bit, and I love it. So I guess that's why the wood wanted to be put on like that. The orange is gorgeous. So we've got this arrow. Oh, y'all, there's a froggy. I did not know there was a froggy, but he's going on. I mean, we're on a river. Clearly, this is a froggy situation. He is getting front and center. He gets to be a part of things. Now, do I need anything else? Sunshine and lake water. Well, it was a river. Lake rules, little adventure. Do I already have the word wander on here? You guys see it? Because I was thinking, why don't I just go ahead and put these 2 pieces on here? And guys, this is almost done. So let me do this. Then what I want to do is I need this. I'm going to start looking at the bingo card. Normally I don't talk this long. Normally I sign off so you don't have to listen to me blather. But we're going to figure out what other little bits to add on to this. It's pretty full just from what was in this kit though. Makes me wonder if I used a cut file with this because I have used the things and then this word wander. Ta-da! Isn't that a cute little cluster out of nowhere? It's cute. Okay, and we didn't use this, so we will now. It'll give us a tiny bit of white right there. All right. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, let's see. So I've used enough of all of the stuff from the kit. I will move that to the side. Clean, clean, clean. Okay, let's look at our bingo board. So we'll just know a star. Guys, do I have any puffy stars left? I have been getting through these finally. And I don't need to do anything really big. I've got gray. Perfect. Like I don't need anything dramatic with this. Ooh, I've got another gray. Perfect. And these will need a little bit of dimensional adhesive because they're just kind of And then I've got this little black and white one. So gray, gray, and we can just do that. Perfect. We bought stars. Let's put that away. Stickers, we use lots of them. Enamel dots. I doubt any of these are going to be a good match. Nope, nope, nope. So I know that there are enamel dots in the previous kit, so I'm going to go ahead and look at them when I go through my kits. Fussy cutting, we did a lot of wood veneer. I have a lot of wood pieces, so I don't want to add any wood veneer. Now, in case you're like, well, if you have wood pieces, wouldn't it match? I just have so much on here, I just don't feel like I need to get something else that's that chunky right now. Circles, I've got these circle bits. I have flare, all of that's good. 0 numbers, double border, I have around my photo. Sequins, this isn't really vibing the sequin thing for me right now, so I'm not going to do that. I have a single photo chipboard. Are any of these? No, these are all foamy. I'll see if there's any chipboard in my previous kits. I don't have that. No, I have distress edges. I do have the flare and a pre-made title. Do not have a rainbow. Nope, 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 nope. I do have all of these foam bits. Great. All right, so where we are now, I just have been using the bingo board to like, do I want that? Do I want that? Not a mandatory thing, just additional suggestions. So I'm going to go through my previous kits and see if there's any little bits. I know that there's enamel dots in there. I'll see if there's any little bits I can add on, then I'll show you my finished layout. Right, so all I found that worked with this were just a couple of enamel dots. I'm gonna see if there is a third color. Oh, see, that yellow is just gonna stand out so much. I think I can get away with this bluish color though. And this is just this little bin of enamel dots I keep on my desk, and you know, just a few. I don't keep all of my enamel dots on my desk. And the reason why is if I have smaller amounts of things, I know I'll use it up. If I have every single thing that I own out, I'll never get it used. Nope, it just will not happen. And then over here, I need a medium one. So there we go, my friends. That is that. I have flare, I have enamel dots, I have stickers, fussy cut, I have a little sewing. I have got all kinds of things going on. So I will get a few still shots of this layout. I am so glad I have day 22 done. Oh my goodness. Guys, there is Scraptember coming up. There will be the next round of Christy's Beautiful Life stuff coming up in October, I think. So I better get moving. Still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.